On each of our lock screens, we can now add widgets. Lock screen widgets are sort of a cross between the Today View and Home Screen widgets that are available on your iPhone and iPad, and complications on an Apple Watch. On the lock screen customization page, there are two locations to add widgets. Above the time, where the date is displayed by default, and in this section below the time. Let's start above the time. This area is always going to display the date in some manner. So if I choose the weather widget here, the format of the date changes and the current conditions are displayed as well. Other widget options for this section are alarms from the clock app, activity, reminders, a stock symbol, and a variety of other weather options. I typically prefer just the traditional day and date up here, which can be selected from under the calendar options. Unfortunately, there's not a minimalist option to leave this area empty, at least not yet. Now let's look at the widget area below the time. This shows us a variety of suggested widgets, and below that is a list of apps that offer lock screen widgets. These widgets come in two sizes, square and rectangular. The rectangular widgets are the width of two square widgets. So we can add up to 4 of the square widgets here, 2 of the rectangular widgets, or a combination of the two. To add one of these, just tap on it or drag it in. We can also then tap and drag to rearrange. Oddly, the rectangular widgets are only allowed to exist on the left side when paired with any square widgets. This could be a bug in the iOS 16 beta. So now from this lock screen, we can view the widgets that were added, or tap on them to jump into that app. These widgets can be a great way to quickly view information as well as provide a shortcut into their app. And as third-party apps are updated, they're going to be able to offer lock screen widgets as well.